nagkaroon ng public apology, dapat sincere para tanggapin ng complainant. Okay? Kapag nagkaroon na ng case, okay, it will now depend on the private offended party kung, number one, if the apology will be accepted. Okay? Kasi kapag nag-file ka ng case, there are two aspects involved. One is criminal and one is civil. Okay? Now, if the private offended party will accept the apology, then in all likelihood, there could be it could lead to an amicable settlement or a compromise agreement in such a way that the civil aspect will no longer be pursued. So kapag wala na rin civil aspect, again, yung criminal aspect minsan naapektuhan din. And it will eventually lead to the dismissal of the case. So bottom line here is, kapag may case na and nagkaroon ng public apology, dapat sincere para tanggapin ng complainant. Okay? Kasi kapag satisfied siya, then pwede niyang iurong yung kaso by filing a resistance or would lead to the dismissal of the case.